Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only mentioned profiles can reply on your post on Instagram Feeds. Easy and quick. First open Instagram Feeds and then go to your profile and now just make sure just select any post you want, and if you want to make only mentioned people can reply, click these 3 points and then click who can reply. And now you will find mentioned only, click on it and click done, and that's it. Now only mentioned people can reply on this post, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.